Hey, this is the one and only storyteller. Third video of the day. Just kind of closing up. As you can tell, the door is on the driver's side. Passenger side. I don't know if you can see down in there, I sprayed some rust reformer. So what I've sprayed that on, and then I'll spray some etching primer tomorrow. And then the next day I will use some undercoating from halfway of the door down. So that should protect the door well enough. It's not going to be driven in any salt, and it won't be driven in any rain if I can help it. So just kind of give you a quick idea. This is what it looks like. It's cleaned up. I wiped down the dash, the door, inside the doors. Hey, look, it's all clean, folks. It's all clean. So we're looking good. So this is the other side. Here again, it's all wiped down. It's all clean. This side will need a little bit more adjustment, as you can tell between the marks right here. Door will need to come up some. We have plenty of room for adjustment, so that's not a problem. I did go ahead and clean this area here, clean the firewall. The other door, I have to do some more adjustment on this too. This is just in order to get the doors hung, to get them on, things of that nature. So as you can tell, this door fits really well. Good gap all the way up and down, not bad. Where this is having problems is right here. This little spot right here. It doesn't touch. It's about a 3/16, maybe 1/8 of an inch gap between the corners. So I'm gonna have to adjust on that some more. And it's sticking. I don't know if you can tell, but it's sticking. It's sticking way out. You would lose a fingernail if you was washing it. So that's a pretty good sized gap. So, but it's just we're just starting off. Cut the fenders and the hood in tomorrow if I can find the paint. I looked a while ago and I couldn't find the paint, so I don't know if I will or not. I may have to go down to the parts store and get some more paint. So I don't know. We'll just wait and see how it goes. And that's about it. I'm just glad that much of it is on. Old truck is coming back. It's making a move. And I can't wait for it to finish its move. This GoPro, I cannot figure out for my life how to run that thing. So I don't know. I'll take a look at some of the film I did with it today, and we'll see how good it is or how bad it is or what it is. So I don't know, it keeps cutting off. You'll go to start recording and it'll record for about a minute, 2 minutes, and the screen will go black and you can't see what you're recording anymore. So I thought I changed the settings on that the other day, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I thought it did. So, but we'll take another look at it. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna close up, put everything up. It'll take me about 35 minutes to put everything up. One last shot at the old truck. Yeah, the rooster, he's trying to get in on the show. So, but I'm glad to have a place to work, but it takes about 30 minutes to get everything untied and everything put up and everything done. So I've just need a garage, and one of these days, maybe one of these days. Hey, this is one and only storyteller. I'm not back here at the truck, but we're out here in the yard fixing to get ready to cut these fenders and whatnot in. As you can tell, they're ready to go. Wipe down. Have the ashtray over here, the seat belt covers, the glove box lid there. So yeah, so we're gonna get ready to do this thing. By the way, it is March the 23rd, and we're gonna try and step forward today. We're gonna try and make this thing into a truck again, or at least something that looks like a truck. It's gonna be a little rough. The bottom of the fenders there, I'm gonna have to wait until the truck is painted. Either that or wait till I paint this here, and then tomorrow set it up on the sawhorses here and paint the bottoms, which I don't know if I'm going to or not. I might wait and just when I paint the truck, paint it all. I rather kind of put a coat of paint on it beforehand. That way, a lot of times those places are missed. Don't get a lot of paint on them. So, you know, I think I might want to put at least a little paint on there beforehand. So, but yeah, we're fixing to get this thing started. It's looking good this morning. Got a little stiff breeze. I got my respirator over here. If somebody, I know somebody's gonna ask. I have my respirator here, 3M. So yeah, we're gonna get this puppy done. I do have another mask in here somewhere. Here's my sandblasting hood. So yeah, I do have one somewhere. I think it's in the house. I know my sanding respirator is in the house. Yeah, that way it don't get so hot out here and things of that nature. So yeah, the neighbors don't care too much for me to do any spraying outside, but neighbor over here is gone to church. One across the road's gone to church. One down there is gone hunting. One here is out for the day, and the one way up there doesn't really matter. It's not going to float that far. You may smell the residue, but paint will never make it. It's too heavy. Fumes might, but paint won't. So I'm not worried about them too much. So I'm gonna get off here and give me a little something, Gatorade or something to drink, and then I'm gonna start spraying. We'll see y'all. Second video coming up. Thanks for staying this long.